Reigning world champion Tajay Gayle is now in the United States to undergo further evaluation on a knee injury he suffered at the National Senior Championships this past weekend. But as we'll hear in this update from Jordan Fort, Gayle's coach Stephen Francis says poor scheduling for horizontal jumps is hindering Jamaican competitors.
A knee injury curtailed world long jump champion Tajay Gayle's Olympic competition in Tokyo last year. And with just 16 days to go until the World Athletics Championships in Oregon, Gayle is going to have to deal with a similar issue. The 25-year-old hurt his knee while competing at the National Championships this past weekend, finishing second with a best effort of 7.97 meters.
The doctors here feel that here's what the MRI is showing is a bruised knee, which they are confident should be fine in a couple of days. But we're going for. He has left already for the United States to get it looked at again by a sports specialist.
So with just over 2 weeks to go until the start of the long jump at the Eugene World Championships, we asked his coach, Stephen Francis, how his charge is likely to fare.
Well, his event is the first day. I'm not sure. I say I don't want to speculate, depending on what the doctors say. But we just have to wait and hear what they say.
Gayle has competed sparingly in the long jump this year, with 4 of his 5 competitions, including the National Championships, coming on Jamaican soil. He's yet to go beyond 8 meters, but Francis says that is largely due to how local meet organisers treat the long jump.
A lot of the problem comes about with the I would say inconsiderate scheduling of the long jumps, where the run-ups are very, very difficult to get. You generally don't have that problem when we go to the big arenas, because usually it's more or less winless. You don't have +4s and -4s and that kind of thing. So the big problem has been with his run-up.
As such, the renowned coach has suggested a rethink of how the event is scheduled at local track meets.
Or the lack of proper scheduling of the horizontal jumps, is a big problem in Jamaica. We don't seem to understand that we need to schedule those things in the night when it's calm and not in the middle of the day.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.